Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to lock page in Notion. This is very simple. First, navigate to the top right corner and click on this three dots option. It will expand this menu, and here you have this toggle lock page. Now the page is automatically locked, as you can see right here. If you want to unlock it, just click on it and simply select if you want to unlock it for me or unlock it for everyone. So once the page is locked, no one can edit this page. So if you unlock only for me, as you can see, I can edit this page, but no one else can. I can also relock it and unlock for everyone, and as you can see, this lock disappeared, and now everyone can edit it again. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.